Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Daily English Dose. My name is Alia Mehar, and today I'm going to help you with a very important question: how to actually improve your English speaking. Not just reading and writing, but how to speak fluently, confidently, and naturally. I'll teach you step by step with stories, examples, and easy sentence practice. So let's begin your speaking journey. Let me begin with a story. There was a girl named Hira. She wanted to speak English fluently, but she was too shy. She had studied grammar, watched English shows, but never practiced speaking. One day, her teacher told her, "Speak just 5 minutes every day. You don't have to be perfect." So Hira stood in front of a mirror and said, "Hi, my name is Hira. I want to speak English." At first, she laughed. She felt silly, but she continued every day. After 30 days, she was confident. The lesson? Fluency comes from daily speaking, not perfect grammar. Repeat after me. I speak English every day. I am not perfect, but I am improving. I make mistakes and that's okay. Step 2. Learn sentences, not words. Here's a common mistake. Many learners memorize words like go, eat, sit, but they can't speak. Why? Because real conversation happens in sentences, not words. Instead of just learning the word go, learn, I want to go home. Can I go with you? Let's go shopping. These help you speak naturally and confidently. Step 2. Practice sentences. Repeat after me. I'm learning new sentences every day. These sentences help me speak better. I will use them in real life. Step 3. Shadowing. Have you heard of shadowing? It means listen to someone speak English and repeat them like a shadow. Let's try it together. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I make breakfast and start my day. You just shadowed me. Practice like this every day and your fluency will grow fast. Step 4. Think in English. Here's the secret to faster speaking. Stop translating from Urdu to English. When you think, "My pani pi rahi hon," you take time to find words. Instead, train your brain to think in English, like, I am drinking water. I am making tea. I am going to sleep. Start small. Talk to yourself in English in your mind. This is real practice. Step 4. Practice challenge. Whatever you do today, say it in English in your mind. I'm opening the door. I'm charging my phone. I'm eating my lunch. The more you think in English, the faster you speak. Step 5. Speak like it's a habit. Speaking English is like exercise. You don't get fit by going to the gym once a month. You get results when you do it daily. So, build a habit. Record your voice for 1 minute every night. Talk about your day. Listen after 1 week, you'll hear real improvement. Step 5. Practice sentences. Repeat after me. I will speak English daily. I am building confidence. I am better than yesterday. Step 6. Speak with emotion. English is not just about words, it's about emotion, tone, and energy. Say this without energy. I am learning English. Now say it with confidence. I am learning English. Big difference, right? Use your voice. Speak with power. Use your hands and face. This builds confidence and connection. Step 6. Practice sentences. Repeat after me. I can do it. English is easy. English is easy for me. I can do it. English is easy for me. English is easy for me. I love learning new things. Step 7. Be kind to yourself. Don't be too hard on yourself. Many students quit because they feel slow or make mistakes. But guess what? Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. You're learning. You're growing. That's what matters. Stay kind to yourself. Be patient. Step 7. Self-talk practice. Repeat after me. I am doing my best. I am not afraid of mistakes. I will never stop learning. So today, we learned how to actually improve your English speaking. Speak daily. Learn full sentences. Practice shadowing. Think in English. Make it a habit. Speak with emotion. And, most importantly, don't give up. Here's your homework. Write 3 English sentences about your day in the comments. I will read and reply. Like this video, subscribe to Daily English Dose, and share it with someone who wants to speak English with confidence. Allah Hafiz, and see you in the next video.